We're at Jingfeng Lu Rou Fan. It's probably my favorite Lu Rou Fan place in all of Taipei. Again, a little bit of nostalgia. My dad's office was 2 blocks from here before he retired. So I grew up eating this. This is my flavor, but one of those places where it's objectively delicious. Pretty conventional in terms of they have 2 compartments for their lu rou. 1 compartment for the big pieces of fatty braised pork, 1 for tofu, and there's 1 for the egg. And the egg is the only one that is boiling. So it's continuing to cook while they're just in service. That's the only thing that's continuing to cook. Everything else is being held at a certain temperature. We gotta try it. If we look at it, it's mostly fat, which is, I mean, I think it speaks to the utilitarian nature of Lu Rou Fan, right? You get a massive punch of lard and shallot. Lard for obvious reasons, right? It's pork fat. But the sweetness of shallot just directly punches you. And this is a really famous shop. Their stuff is good. It's been good for 50 years, so the standard is there. So the skin melting in my mouth isn't any surprise, but it's... But it's every bit as satisfying as when I first had it.
There's one element of our Lu Rou Fan that is quintessentially Taiwanese: our pork.
We are in the middle of Kaohsiung right now, and we're on our way to a pretty famous pig farm. And I'm here to find out exactly what makes Taiwanese pork so much better.
为什么以前早期的猪肉比较有香气？猪肉的香气，如果
很老是吧？
对，因为也不是老化，就是因为它熟成到那个时间，它还是要养到那么久。
那所以你们现在从小 baby 到卖掉，要养多久的时间？
我们这边至少是要养7个半月。
到底会不会就是因为台湾的猪是自己杀自己吃，所以呢新鲜度就是会可能比国外的还要好？
这个讲起来就很广泛啊，但是也是有这个原因，因为有一些猪，因为通常屠宰这些屠宰场专业屠宰场，他杀的猪不是当天，然后分切的时候，他要在包装啊配送，有的什么像你说的国外猪都要配送很远的地方啊，那这个中间呢，你只要就是等于是说你猪如果我们说吃很老啊，一定会比那个杀了一阵子的会更好嘛，然后冷藏的更好，它冷藏的一定又会比冷冻的更好，大概是这样。
I think it's the freshness. That's the only thing that really makes sense. Taiwanese don't export fresh pork. Therefore, most of the pork produced is consumed within the island. It's like probably slaughtered within the week. And obviously the diet, the humane ways that, they treat the pigs, but even still, right? The feed is the same, the lot is the same. It's not even like a crazy amount of space they have. Oh, wow. The size of the pig's testicles, that kind of blew my mind. I thought horse testicles were big, but these guys legit were like the size of mini watermelons.